To use Zaman Wallet, start by downloading and installing the application from the official website or a trusted app store. Once installed, launch the wallet and create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. This will involve generating a unique username and password, as well as setting up a recovery phrase to secure your account. After creating your account, you will be presented with the main dashboard of the Zaman Wallet. From here, you can navigate to the deposit section to add funds to your wallet. To do this, select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, and the wallet will generate a unique address for you to send the funds to. When sending cryptocurrency to your Zaman Wallet, make sure to use the correct address and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. It is also important to note that different cryptocurrencies have different deposit requirements, such as minimum deposit amounts and confirmation times. To send cryptocurrency from your Zaman Wallet, navigate to the Send section and enter the recipient's address, as well as the amount you wish to send. The wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction, and once confirmed, the funds will be sent to the recipient. In addition to sending and receiving cryptocurrency, the Zaman Wallet also allows you to store and manage your funds. The wallet provides a secure and user-friendly interface for tracking your balance, transaction history, and account activity. To ensure the security of your Zaman Wallet, it is recommended to enable two-factor authentication, and to keep your recovery phrase and account login credentials safe and secure. It is also important to regularly update your wallet software to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use your Zaman Wallet to send, receive, and manage your cryptocurrency. Remember to always follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and to keep your account information and recovery phrase safe and secure.